Alright, welcome back to the another video of Power BI. Today our topic is imported data from 2023 worldwide box office and imported past 3 years data and create a one master table. So without any further delay, let's get started. For the candidate, I will type worldwide box office mojo, and I will click on the first link. From here I will import my data. First I will take the 2023 data and just go to the get data. Sometime it web doesn't show up here, just you can click on more and you can search the web from here, right? And you will get your web. Click on the web and paste your link over here and click OK. Okay, it will take a little bit time to load the data, and from here you can select any table as per your choice, but I'm gonna select this table 2 because in table 2 I think there is a more information than other. There is a one more table, this table 4 also, but I don't think so there is enough information which we wanted. Okay, I will click on the transform data. Okay, after clicking on the transform data, it will take us to the Power Query editor. From here, as you can see, I will name this table as a box office mojo 2023. I will copy this. Okay, and same like that I will take the 2022 data also. I will copy this 2022, get to the new source, click on the web and paste it here, click copy. Okay, and take the same sheet and click OK. Now you don't have to click on transform because we are already in the Power Query, so it will not show you like that. Same thing, I will name this box office mojo 2022. Again I will go here and I will take the 2021 and copy this link, go to the new source, click on web, paste your link and click OK. After loading the data, just click on the table 2, click OK, rename the table as per your choice. I'm gonna give the name box office mojo 2021. Okay, now it's time to make a master table. Okay, to create a master table, there is a many way to create a master table, but here I'm gonna use a append query because every table has same header. Okay, so what I will do, I will click on the append query. I will click on the append query as a new, and from here I will not select second table. If you have just two table, you can do it from directly from here, but if you have two or more than that table, so you have to click on 3 or more. We have already box office mojo in 2023 is here. I will click on 2022, click add, again 2021, click add, click OK. Okay, and now is our first table has been created. I will give this name as a master table box office mojo. Okay, so this is what we have to do. That's it, we have to do. We don't have to do anything else. And okay, if there is any error, any kind of error, it will show you here, but we don't have any error. Our header is already there, everything is there. But if you want to delete some unwanted column, like whatever you can say, so for example, if you want to delete or remove some unwanted column and replace the null value and everything, but I don't think so in this data there is anything we have to clean. We just We will just remove some unwanted column. I will just select this column, right click on it and just remove it. Okay, this is also we want, and I will remove this also. Okay, remove it. Okay, just keep this 1 2 3 5 column, and now it's time to load the data. If you will click on close and apply, okay, it will load all the data. Because as per your condition, I think we have to load just a master table, a master table, right? Unlike we don't want to load everything, so it's taking a little bit time. It will take a little bit more time to load the data because it's a big data. Okay, as you can see here, our old data get loaded, even the 2021, 2022 and 2023, but we want only which one, this table, one table we want. Okay, for that what I will do, I will go back to the Power Query, and you can do directly also. You don't have to close and load because I just want to show you, that's why. Okay, just right click on it. Can you see this? This is enable. Just click on this. The new window will pop up. Just click on continue. Then same thing goes with this also. Just uncheck this. Okay, click on continue. Then same thing go with this. Click on it. Click on enable. Okay, now if you will go back and check it, this enable sign is not there, right? Same goes for this also. This enable sign is not checked here. Okay, so for that what you have to do, now your master table, you don't have to do in the master table. Now you just simply click on the close and apply. Now you will see, now you will see before there was a 4 table over here, right? Now there is only 1 table. So it means now we have that data in Power Query, but we didn't load that all the table, but we just loaded one master table into the Power via desktop. From here you can do anything, like you want to make a chart or whatever visualization you want to create, you can create it. For example, you want to take a domestic and foreign ranking or whatever you say will satisfy you. So this is, you can see our table has been created. Till then, happy learning. Keep supporting. Thank you so much.